So I'm back, guys. Damn, it's been a crazy month. Visiting and traveling Canada and experiencing the working online has been such a hectic month. I've never had a month like that, but damn, am I so grateful for it. I just came back, and the last few days I just had to get everything organized with school because I been lacking on that and just need to catch up on stuff. And I know you might say, well, Julian, why are you caring so much about school? You're gonna drop out. Yes, I do. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this on not yet. I haven't mentioned this on the channel, but a little sneak peek, obviously. For the real OG viewers who are gonna watch this video, they're gonna not be surprised in the future. But yeah, I'm going to drop out. Like, you have my word, next semester I'm out. The only reason I'm staying this semester and just signing up for the next is whatever. It's a long story, but in Canada you get money back when you go. So I'm just gonna get my money back and then fuck off. I watched a crazy video on Alex Armozy talking about the pros and cons of going to school, and it, like, obviously I've been wanting to drop out for over a year now, but like stuff like that video really just made it concrete in my head. And honestly, I'm very excited. But as of now, look, I'm still in school, so I never believe in doing something half-assed. So even though technically I am still doing half-assed school, at least let me do it. I'm not gonna be a complete reject and just not go or not do the stuff that needs to be done. There's it builds character and builds discipline. And look, you meet people at school. I've met some nice people. Honestly, most of them are not my type of people, but I've met some good people who are doing business on the side. And especially through this YouTube channel, I'm very grateful. Again, if you're watching and you've reached out to me or just to talk about business, that's one key factor of why I love YouTube, is because you just get to connect with people that have similar interests. Because if you're not watching this video, it's because your interest is somewhere else. It's purely just entertainment or cooking or whatever you like, but you're watching this video because you're into self-development, into masculinity, you're into e-commerce, business. So it just connects people worldwide of similar interests. And I've hopped on calls on the last few days, and I've been hopping on calls for who knows how long since I started YouTube, and I always meet amazing people. The last few days I do want to catch up. It's been pretty hectic. My mind has been all over the place. First of all, coming back from a crazy weekend in Toronto, just to settle back down took a day or two, and my mind was all over the place. But honestly, my mind was all over the place, not just because of that. It was just because of, I guess, that sensation of feeling lost again. And again, I don't want to hide anything. Like, this is pure, true authenticity of starting and doing your business. I don't want to have these crazy videos of like crazy edits and all this crazy dopamine stuff. Like Iman Gadzhi, I haven't watched a video of him in such a long time, but he just posted one that was really authentic, no edits. And because of that factor, I watched it and it hit deep. It hit really deep. Nothing compared to his edited videos. And I don't think edited is what the people want in our, area. If you want entertainment, yeah, obviously you got to get the little kids to, be engaged in dopamine, but you're watching because you want value, and value doesn't come from editing. I may improve the quality of the videos when I get bigger, but I never will have some crazy dopamine, big effects anymore. I used to. But anyways, yeah, I've been feeling lost. And I try to just figure out why. Obviously, from the trip, I was more distant from God. And that was definitely, if not the main factor, for one of them. But I saw myself doubting what I was doing. I saw myself, I was getting pushed, service businesses online. I was talking to people that do service businesses, and it was just like, Julian, am I in the right vehicle? Am I doing the right business? Maybe I'm not seeing results because I'm not tapping into my, good traits, what I'm good at. And honestly, thinking long and hard, no pun intended, I think what I came down to the conclusion is, obviously, I'm not stopping e-commerce. That's probably something I'll never do. Even with my YouTube, when I started my YouTube journey, I was all into it at first, and then I had doubts. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. But look, I'm here today with 5,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And I would never quit. That's something that is in me even when with a book like, for just a pure example, this philosophy book. It's becoming very complicated. It's becoming very hard to read book, and I'm so excited to read other books, and because it will help me more personally now. This is more kind of just for, enjoyment, I guess. But I'm going to finish it. I have less than 100 pages left after an 800, 700 page book. I'm going to finish it. When I start something, I finish it. And that's a trait that I've always had. And because I started e-commerce, I'm going to finish it. I'm going to do it. I'm not going to start seeing, is this a better way? Is this a better way? Maybe I should do this and maybe I should that. That's how people prolong their success, or that's how people even fail. They never stick to one thing. They just, they get their attention span to just be all over the place. All I know is I'm capable of anything I put my mind to. All I know is e-commerce is a very, very viable start to a vehicle to get to your success. This is the talk I had in my head. I'm fully aware that, maybe e-commerce, especially dropshipping, dropshipping is not even my goal. Like, that's just to start off and test products. Obviously, the goal is to private label and get your own warehouses. But even all of that, even if I scale a business to a few $1 million and sell it for who knows how many, that's not my ultimate goal. I know that I won't be doing this forever. This is just a vehicle to start my journey. And I think e-commerce is a huge, huge viable asset to, start from nothing, or to start from little and get yourself to, millions of dollars. So I had this doubt in my head, and I don't anymore. I've spoken to people that are in this field and that they've seen success, and it's just very motivating. And it's just to see that, look, other people are doing it. I don't think you should start really looking at what you're like. You shouldn't be thinking about it too much. All you should be thinking is that you're a 20-year-old man. You're trying to develop, sure. You have your self-improvement field. But then for your businesses right now, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do whatever makes money right now. I enjoy e-commerce. There's nothing that I don't enjoy e-commerce. It was just, I was getting a coping mechanism of my failure and thinking maybe I should do something that will be better for me. No, e-commerce is good. You're gonna get good at it. I'm already pretty decent at it for a few months. You're gonna get good at it. Because e-commerce, you learn the foundations of business. Even if you want to pursue just YouTube, or just pursue service businesses, or pursue a software, at the end of the day, e-commerce teaches you the fundamentals of all of it, of business. And that's why I enjoy it so much, because it's not just a one field thing. You gotta learn. You learn website development. You learn marketing. You learn product research. You learn about. I have a whole list on my Google Doc about a bunch of SEO. You learn about back end, front end. You learn about email marketing. You learn everything. It's an all-in-one package. So if you ever contemplating, especially if you already started, to stop e-commerce or to not do e-commerce, I promise you, if you just adopt this mentality of I started something, I'm gonna fucking finish it, you know how far you will get in life? And sometimes that may hold you back. But I think there's more pros and cons in that feature. And I'm honestly very grateful that I have that feature. Because again, like I said, when I start something, I finish it. There's something that I care about. Because it's ironic that I started school and I'm not finishing school. But something that I really care about, if I start it, I'll finish it. So again, just wanted to update you guys on that. My mind has been all over the place. But it's getting back to its senses. You know, we all have those ups and downs, right? So it's been a journey the last few months, for sure, man. It's been a crazy growing journey. Again, now I'm back to creating ads, seeing if I can sell this product. If not, move on to another product. I might move on to high ticket. Who knows? I don't know where the future will lead me, but all I know is that e-commerce is the way I'm going to get out of this shit. And I have full confidence in it. I have full confidence in myself. I have full confidence in the Lord. And I'm just excited. Again, ups and downs with a mindset. Like yesterday, I would not be talking like how I am now, but ups and downs. But again, now today, I'm very excited to get back. And I hope to connect with more of you guys. Reach out to me if you just need anything. If you want someone to talk to, or you want some advice, or even most people who reach out to me are trying to help me, and I'm so grateful for that. It's absolutely amazing. But again, you're not alone in this. The most importance is your friend group, the people you surround yourself with. I don't want to ramble on too much. I can make another video of that. But it's just keep working hard. Do not give up. Trust in yourself. Trust in the Lord, or trust in whoever you believe in. Trust in a greater power, and you will not fail. And when you not fail, what does that even? When you will not fail, I'll see you at the top.